I have never seen anything like this before, dude. This is crazy. Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Sean Kanoy. In today's video, I'm going to show you what it's really like to have a Jeep. Last night, it rained a bunch, and apparently my soft top leaks. So I'm going to show you guys that, and I'm going to dry it off. Let's go ahead and show you guys what the damage is. Come here. Cutest puppy. So like I said, it rained a bunch last night and my soft top leaks, and so I did a little thing with a trash bag and some wood, and I put it on top to see if that would help a little bit. It helped a little bit, I think. I also put towels on the bottom of the trunk so no more water would just pool up there, because there was a bunch of water back there. Like, as you can see, this like condensation is on the inside, which is definitely not good. Found my freaking headphone thing. I lost this on the way to Kansas City, and I was mad. Let's go ahead and fold this back. Ow. So as you can see, I put down some towels on the trunk because all the water was pooling there, and I think that helped a lot, along with the plastic bag helped a lot too. I ordered some waterproofer, and that should help. So the main thing I'm worried about whenever it rains is getting all the electronics wet, and I think they should be fine because, first of all, it's under the seat. I've been through a pretty bad rainstorm with the windows off on accident, and they were fine, so I think it should be fine, but it is something I still worry about. But as you can see, I have the towels down. They were down here all night. They're definitely wet, so I don't know if the tarp worked that well, but I mean, it's better than nothing. It probably did something. So if you own a Jeep, man, this is the type of stuff you have to do. It is dry now down here, so everything should be good. But since it is raining so much right now, and I don't want to wait for the waterproofer to get here that I ordered on Amazon, I'm just gonna go to Walmart real fast and pick up a can of waterproofer, put it on, and show you guys if it really works. So I'll be right back with that. I have never seen anything like this before, dude. This is crazy. Obviously, we are getting a ton of snow. This is the most snow I've ever seen. Having a Jeep is the best car to have in the snow, man.